Now, South Korea has emerged as a global powerhouse in cosmetics. The country has overtaken Germany to become the world's third largest beauty exporter after the United States and France. The country exported nearly 80% of its $13 billion cosmetics output, with much of the growth driven by booming e-commerce sales. Korean beauty brands are now shifting focus to brick-and-mortar retail in the US. They are in advanced talks with retailers to expand shelf presence and sustain a momentum beyond online platforms. K-Beauty's edge lies in a mix of quality, affordability and digital virality. Online Korean brands outperformed global peers. The top 5 Korean brands in US e-commerce saw average sales growth of 71% over 2 years compared to just 15% for their French counterparts. But challenges are emerging. A baseline 10% US tariff is already in place, and a potential hike of 25% in July could pressure margins. Yet companies say they can absorb the impact. Most Korean firms outsource production to low-cost manufacturers, helping keep prices competitive. K-Beauty's global surge is deeply tied to the broader wave of Korean cultural exports, ranging from BTS and Korean dramas to Oscar-winning films. This cultural appeal has driven younger US consumers towards Korean in skincare and cosmetics. South Korea has now overtaken France to become the biggest cosmetics exporter to the US in 2024. With exports to China slowing due to geopolitical tensions, the US has become the top strategic focus. Olive Young, Korea's largest beauty retailer, plans to open its first US store in LA this year. While investor confidence in Korean beauty remains strong, analysts caution that intensifying competition and market saturation could test the staying power of some brands. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.